Finna smoke your ass. Finna smoke your ass for the pink slip. Gang in this, what it is, squad. You already know, man. Mook and the V back with another video, man. And today just might be a beautiful day, man. By the name of the title, I don't know if I'm gonna name it this or not, but depending on what happens when I go where I'm about to go and see what I'm about to see, the name of this title might be something where y'all already know why I'm excited right now, man. But yeah, got a couple of things to do today, man. I had a good time at a little car meet last night. You know, it was a little off-brand of what I usually do, the type of car meets I usually be at. But we went, showed up, showed out, had a good time, made a few connections, you know what I mean? And that's really all I'm trying to do out here, man, is just get connected, man, get the name out there, get the channel out there, man, let everybody know how we how we coming or whatever, man. As y'all see, man, I got my stand-in bodyguard back there still, you know what I mean? We got a group of bodyguards that, you know what I mean, you might see from time to time. But yeah, we still riding in the Continental, man. Get y'all a cold start, you know. Ain't gonna be nothing though, cause these Jones quiet. Let me see. There you go. Quietness. Told y'all it's quiet already. But finna go pull up on my parents for a quick second, cause I ain't seen them in a hot little minute. So I'm gonna go pull up on them for a second, and then I'm gonna go pull up on Jose, man. I'm gonna go see what's happening over there in the shop, man, with the Mamba, and I'm gonna pick up the camera then, man. Alright, gang. Alright, y'all, I just pulled up at Jose's shop, man. He got the Mamba out here. Let's see what's going on. What's up, bro? What is that? Oh, I'm about to say, what is that shit?
Oh, I just checked it. Broke right here?
Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, the heat blowing in here, gang. The heat blowing in here. They tried to get me. So you trying to say they tried to get me out of $2,000, bro? Is that what you telling me?
Yeah. They tried to steal you two grand, bro.
Bro,
I check everything down there. There's no leaks. Normally, when the heater core goes out, you get any piece inside your, you know, stink. Got heat working.
Yeah, the heat on. Yeah. Cause the heat wasn't working at first. And that's all. We pulled this off right here. Yeah, we took this motherfucker off right here and started that bitch just to see if, cause we did a whole bunch of other shit, man. One of the YouTubers stopped and he just organically just fucking with me. I didn't even know the dude, bro. He just seen it happen. He stopped and he did everything, bro. We did everything. We poured the shit in here. until it overflowed. We did a lot of shit, bro. We pumping it through the fucking everything. And at the end, we like, all right, we just took this motherfucker off and started it, and nothing but vapors was coming out. So we like, all right, the water pump clearly ain't working.
Normally, well, this makes sense. Why would the water pump go out same time as the heater pump? It doesn't make no sense.
I don't know, bro. You know what I mean? I don't know nothing about, you know what I mean? I'm learning this shit, bro. Before I got this truck, you remember the type of cars I was driving? I just fucking cars that I'm flipping every year.
So right now, we got good temperature, heat works inside, and I'm waiting for the fan to kick in. Make sure the fan works.
Yeah.
But this goes out, either this one goes out or that one goes out. They can't go out at the same time.
Bro, that's great. Man, bro, I'm finna go up there and fucking lose it, bro, because y'all finna do me like that. Like, y'all sold this package to me, so when shit like this happens, it's covered. Y'all mad that...
They'll get you, man.
Man carries, I'm coming up there. We gotta have a conversation. We gotta have a conversation.
Yeah, I'm gonna tighten this up, see how it loses.
What's up, gang? So he done ran all type of diagnosis. He done looked up and down, man. The heat is running. It's hot. We got it off right now, but it's hot. You see where the car is running. These cars run cool, so it's running at the right temperature. No antifreeze smell in the car at all. I think they tried to get me, man. It's as simple as that. I think they tried to get me. It's running smooth in here. The fan just cut on. Well, it was on. It's not on now. Good, man.
Pretty good.
Man, the fucking dealership tried to get me, bro.
He told me about it. It's not good.
Something got to be done about that. We got to make some noise. That's crazy, man.
Imagine they try to get you. Think about old people.
And women. The women, they get a lot like that. That's why a woman who ain't got no man and they go do that, they living off of them. Unfortunately, it is what it is.
I remember a guy told me that one time a lady came to his shop, had a problem with his car, and he told her.
But I definitely need that shit, man. Oh, you already good?
You good, man? I'm good, bro.
Hey, no, I need you another thing, though, bro. My radio just went out.
Got the Black Widow out here.
Yeah, like, no sound, bro.
Maybe a fuse went out or something.
Black Widow out here, man. You know. Light. I hear that growl down there.
You tell me you need another bumper? Yeah. Damn.
Come on, bro. You know you was gonna get a new.
No.
Damn.
You bumper is right here.
Yeah. How much it cost?
This one, you gotta get a wheel.
Oh, yeah?
SRT shit. You know what I mean? Last of the Mohegans.
I gotta grab the pen number.
Y'all see how them guts looking. Ugh. Bloody.
Just hold it straight.
Yeah, you put it on me. Yeah, shit. Right now, man, I'm just going through the motions, just seeing how it feels driving. I ain't drove it in 3 weeks, so you feel me? I don't know.
Long ass time.
I'm looking at the temperature. The heat still warm.
There you go.
This motherfucker moving still. Woo. Temperature still good. Make sure you let them see the stars up there too. The stars still working no matter what. The stars is on. Jose a good man, you know what I'm saying? He saved me a lot of bread, man. I recommend a lot of people to him. This is true.
Ram.
I recommend everybody to him, man. My man Flyby G Money. Shout out to him, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and subscribe to his channel if y'all haven't already. He gonna come and get his I think he got a Tahoe or something like that.
Please, my Flyby G Money?
Yeah, he got like a Tahoe or something like that. He gonna have come get painted by him. So that shit was down low too.
I'm definitely gonna fuck with Jose.
Been fucking with him for a long
if he can
time,
do this
man.
engine job for me, man.
Did you talk to him about that too?
Hell yeah. Okay, that's why I asked, did he get the text? I sent the info to him. I'm finna spend dough with him. He finna do this coat with him. I mean, coat, just whatever paint shit y'all say. What you say?
Oh, the ceramic coat?
Yeah, even do ceramic coat.
Yeah, I'm finna get that shit
Bumper.
done too. I'm probably gonna get mine done by you know, I gotta rock with some other people too. You know, on the channel too that I support. There's a dude named Catfish Corner that do it too. He just knocked out. That shit is like not coming out hot right now though.
You want the cold?
I'm saying like,
Or you want the hot?
Yeah.
Well, you know it's springtime.
No, I just wanted to make sure it's gonna be hot if I put it on hot, because it was like 75 and it was still cool. I just put it on. Okay. It's still sitting where it's supposed to be sitting now. Still, the gauge is still, you know what I'm saying? See? See where the gauge is in there? Yeah, it's still sitting where it's supposed to sit up.
That's cool.
I don't know, gang. I think we good, man. I think they tried to get me. You know what I mean? And I gotta go up there and we gotta have a conversation. I need a track hawk. I need a motherfucking track hawk. Give it to me right now or I'm telling. I think we got a winner.
Yeah.
I think we got a winner.
Definitely feel good, goddamn.
Yeah, I gotta come and shot with my man Jose, man. That's all I gotta say. Just a real motherfucker. He ain't out here trying to get nobody, none of that. Like, you feel me? That motherfucker be cutting up. Woo. Hey, that motherfucker be sounding crazy. That joint be sounding crazy. Woo. We'll fly too though. Oh yeah, we'll fly. Finna smoke your ass. Finna smoke your ass for the pink slip. Y'all already know what time it is. Black History, baby, because it's always Black History. You feel me? No, man, but I just got back to the crib, man. I got my man out. I don't know if I got this back far enough. That should be good. Got my man here. Finna go back up to Jose's shop, get the Mamba, and bring the Mamba home finally, man. I know y'all miss it. I miss it. We bringing the Mamba home, man. But he gonna get his channel started soon too, real soon. A little treat for y'all. Damn. Y'all been doing work to this joint.
Remember we had that motor all put?
Yeah.
That's
It's finished now, right?
It's all good. All running.
From nothing, bro. I got the whole process.
So like y'all main thing is body work, right? But y'all do everything.
Yeah, I feel like if you know how to do body work, you can do anything. You gotta take the car apart to paint it correctly. So if you know how to put it back together, like, you know, people get their whole engine bay in here and stuff painted.
That Scout is gonna go on the Trailblazer SS plane, motor and channel.
I see it, man. I don't even remember what this thing had on it last time. I don't know what it had on it last time we was here, man, but you see this, man. This is crazy. Y'all go back and check them videos, man. Y'all see this vehicle has been being built from scratch. This is a Blazer. Hey, what year Blazer is this? What year Blazer is this?
73. It was the first Blazer.
First Blazer, man. Building from scratch, man. Y'all not getting this nowhere else.
Especially y'all trying to sell it.
Well, this was a customer.
Yeah, he building this for somebody.
I'm saying if y'all was to sell it, like those y'all,
Yeah.
man.
I know how we coming in here, man. Got work being done. Vet under there. I done seen that monster before. It's like that, bro.
That's what I say when I'm for the tip.
The cut up is real. Y'all see what time it is, man. We got the stars back. Y'all see the stars? We got the stars back. Cutting up out here, y'all. Super cutting up out here. These people like, yo, they gonna call the police on us. Look, gang, we was just about to start racing. Oh, that would have been bad. We was about to start racing. Oh my goodness, that would have been horrible. Officer Square Nuts back there, I can't zoom in. So gang, I am extremely happy, and this video is now gonna match the title that I was hoping that I could put on here. And y'all done seen it already if y'all done made it to this point in the video. And if y'all have made it to this point in the video, I appreciate y'all. Man, I am about to, I'm finna go bust this boy's you know what on the basketball court, man. I got the ball right there. Y'all see it back there, man. I'm not playing, man. I keep me a ball. I'm already in something I can hoop in, man. I'm finna go and bust this boy and this, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Pause. Let me let that all the way back, man. Can y'all see the stars? Yeah, the stars is out there, man. The stars is out during the daytime too. We back, gang, 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 gang. You feel me? No, man, but we about to go to the court, man, and get it in, man. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Mook and the V 2021 gang is up there.